Well, as we get ready to celebrate Independence Day, we're talking about another kind of freedom, knowing your rights. Joining us today is attorney Micha Star Liberty from Liberty Law. Micha helps people navigate workplace issues, discrimination concerns, and civil rights matters. Welcome back to the show. So good to see you, Micha.
Thank you for having me back. It's great to be here and talking about this important issue.
I have to ask, with a name like Liberty, were you born on the 4th of July?
I was not, but close to it.
Oh, okay. So, Micha, when we think about Independence Day, we think about freedom. Now, how does that idea connect to the legal rights the people have today?
It connects directly, actually. So freedom isn't something that we just celebrate once a year and have a barbecue and get together with our friends. It actually encompasses the rights, that term encompasses the rights and responsibilities that we have as Americans. And it's all codified in our Constitution. So it includes things like the right to work in an environment that's free from discrimination, harassment, retaliation, and other unfair treatment. So I always say understanding your rights is one of the best ways to protect yourself and your family.
Yeah. Well, you know, I'm a layman, so I don't completely understand all that. That's why I looked at people like you, who I know all this chapter and verse. So can you talk a little bit about what are some of the workplace situations where people may not realize that they have some legal protections?
Absolutely. And we answer questions like these all day, every day, because most people don't understand what their rights are. And the employer may not just, come out and tell you how you're protected. So what people don't realize, I think this is the most common thing, is that when they're reporting harassment or requesting workplace accommodations or taking protected leave, like leave related to pregnancy or leave related to taking care of a family member, or even just speaking up about unsafe and unlawful practices, they are protected. You can report something is harassment and be wrong about it, and you're not going to be retaliated against, because we want to promote the idea of people reporting this unlawful behavior. So although every situation is different, it's important to know that you have options and what they are.
Yeah. But Micha, you and I both know that there are people out there who go, maybe it's just better to keep my mouth shut, that I should not say something because I don't want to lose my job. So what would you tell them?
I would tell them that's a very natural concern. We hear that concern all the time. It's not for everyone. Not everyone, wants to expose themselves and speak up. But without people blowing the whistle, they're not going to change the work environment, and they're not going to be protected themselves, and their coworkers that they enjoy working with are not going to be protected. So it's more of one of those responsibilities that we talk about with respect to our freedoms.
Yeah. So Micha, as we head toward your holiday, which is the 4th of July because of your name, what's one thing you'd like our viewers to remember?
Just that the law will protect you if you're thinking about reporting, even if it's not related to you. There are protections. And the advice that I would give specifically is that if something doesn't feel right with respect to your work environment, document what's happening and then seek professional advice before making assumptions about your situation or giving up.
Yeah, as always, it's great information. It's always nice to talk to you, especially near 4th of July. So thank you, Micha. Hey, to learn more about your workplace rights, civil rights, and other legal resources, call the law offices of Liberty Law or log on to their website. We have that information on the screen for you. Micha Star Liberty, thank you for being here and joining us on this 4th of July. Thank you so much.